If you want to set up an appointment schedule in Google Calendar, here's a simple step-by-step guide. First of all, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com, then sign into your Google account. Next, click on the Create button at the top left corner, then select Appointment Schedule. Now, enter a title for your schedule and choose the date and time range you're available. You can also set recurring availability by selecting the repeat options. Once done, click on Next to adjust booking settings like appointment duration, buffer time between bookings, and maximum number of bookings per day. You can also customize the booking page by adding a description, location, or a video conferencing link like Google Meet. When everything looks good, click on Save. Google Calendar will generate a booking link you can share with others so they can choose a time slot that works for them. And that's all. You've now created an appointment schedule in Google Calendar. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.